Have you ever thought that a simple spice such as cloves can change your life and attract wealth? We are going to explore this fascinating question through the eyes of Buddhist teachings, revealing how placing 3 cloves in particular places can bring wealth and success into your life. In Buddhism, every aspect of our existence is linked together, and the energy we create within ourselves has a significant impact on our exterior world. Understanding and using this energy allows us to live a life of wealth and positivity. This energy is like a magnet, attracts comparable frequencies. Consider tuning into a radio station. When you're on the appropriate frequency, you get the music you want to hear. Similarly, connecting with the proper energy can help you attract wealth and success into your life. This concept is strongly related to the law of attraction, which states that by aligning your thoughts and emotions with the energy of abundance, you naturally attract more of it into your life. But what exactly does this mean in practical terms? It means that our inner condition, thoughts and emotions serve as magnets, attracting forces from the universe. Negative emotions such as fear, doubt and jealousy can disturb this frequency. These emotions form a barrier, impeding the flow of positive energy. This is why having a positive and a grateful mindset is so important. By having so, it aligns you with greater frequencies of abundance, allowing you to attract both wealth and success. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life might help you to keep your growing positive energy. Simple techniques like mindful breathing, gratitude journaling, and positive affirmations can greatly boost your energy. Remember, the goal is to maintain a high frequency that resonates with abundance, attracting abundance and success to your life. By the way, if you're looking for more ways to integrate mindfulness and Buddhism into your life, consider signing up to our newsletter. It's a valuable resource filled with tips and insights that can help you on your journey. The sign-up link is in the video description. Let's look at how a simple yet effective ritual can help you attract wealth and prosperity. This ritual focuses on the usage of cloves, a spice known for its protecting and spiritual qualities. Cloves, little reddish-brown spices, are more than simply a gastronomic delight. They have been utilized for ages in numerous cultures for protection and attracting good fortune. Cloves represent purification and protection against harmful energies in Buddhist teachings. Historically, cloves were prized not only for their flavor, but also for their medical and spiritual qualities. They were frequently utilized in rituals to purify rooms and safeguard from harm. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, you can harness their tremendous energy to attract abundance into your life. In the next lessons, I will be walking you through 3 basic yet effective clove-related rituals. These initiatives are intended to secure your home, improve your financial situation, and foster a good, abundant environment. And that starts with the ritual number 1, planting cloves for protection and wealth. For the first ritual, you'll need 3 cloves and a plant called mother-in-law's tongue, scientifically known as Dracaena trifasciata. This plant is noted for its durability and air-purifying capabilities, making it ideal for this type of ritual. Gather the 3 cloves and the plant in a pot filled with soil. Place the 3 cloves in the plant's soil, making sure they're well covered. You may be wondering why 3 cloves? Well, the number 3 is significant in many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism, as well as it represents creation, harmony, and balance. Nikola Tesla famously emphasized the power numbers 3, 6, and 9, describing them as the key to understanding the universe. Now you know why 3 cloves. Place the plant at the entrance to your home or office. The entrance is an important location of energy movement in your home. Placing the plant here brings safety and wealth into your life. This simple act brings positive energy and abundance into your environment, forming a protective barrier that draws away bad influences and attracts wealth. Speaking of wealth, let us boost the energy surrounding your finances with ritual number 2, cloves in your safe. This ritual requires just 3 cloves. Put the 3 cloves in the location where you keep your money, whether it's a safe, jar, drawer, or box. Cloves are known to provide protection and boost the vitality of wealth. Placing them where you keep your money creates a powerful energy field that promotes financial growth. And remember, when you're placing each clove, repeat an affirmation like, "I am abundant, my wealth is protected, and prosperity flows into my life." This ritual strengthens the energy of abundance in your financial life, preserving your assets and attracting more fortune. But all these 2 rituals require some kind of place. So is there a ritual that you can keep with you? Well, moving on to the 3rd ritual, we'll make a portable charm that you can keep with you. This charm will be a continual reminder of the abundance you are drawing into your life. Grab a small red cloth bag. You may ask why. Because red is a strong color, which represents vitality, strength, and success. You must avoid using black because it represents grief and attracts negative energy. Next, insert a coin or banknote inside the bag. Make sure it's genuine currency, something you can actually spend to keep the energy grounded. Then put the 3 cloves in the bag. As you add each clove, repeat, "I am abundance." Finally, close the bag tightly and carry it in your handbag, wallet, or pocket. These simple yet deep rituals can help you tap into the energy of abundance and improve your life by attracting money and prosperity. This small bag will transform into a charm that continuously draws money, protection, and prosperity into your life. When you open your purse or wallet and see the bag, it will attract the positive energy you're sending out and the wealth opportunities into your life. Finally, let's improve our practice by performing the 4th ritual, which will attract wealth as well as improving our health and love. Fill a transparent glass with clean water and place 3 cloves in the water. As you drop each clove, say, "I am wealthy" for the first one, "I am loving" for the second, and "I am healthy" for the third. Then place this glass near the door to your home or office. You can also place one in each location to increase positive energy. This ritual addresses what I call the master areas of life: health, wealth, and love. Placing charged water at important gateways creates a protective barrier and attracts abundance for you as well as everyone around your space. This simple trick creates a harmonious and profitable environment by allowing positive energy to flow freely. In Buddhism, mindfulness is essential for building an abundant life. Being truly present in each moment allows you to align your thoughts and emotions with positive energy. This exercise not only keeps you grounded, but it also improves your ability to attract wealth. Practices like mindful breathing, walking meditation, and gratitude journaling can have a major impact on your energy levels. Focusing on the present moment reduces stress and clears your mind of negativity. This condition of tranquility and clarity enables you to connect with the frequency of abundance. Daily mindfulness practice promotes a good perspective, making it easier to attract both wealth and success. Remember that a conscious approach to life leads to prosperity, opening the door to limitless opportunities and wealth. These principles of mindfulness connect deeply with Buddhism's broader teachings. Buddhism's teachings provide important insights on how to live a balanced, harmonious, and content existence. Dana, or the importance of generosity, is one of the most important teaching in this. By cultivating a charitable spirit and sharing our wealth with others, we generate positive karma and contribute to the well-being of all beings. Generosity is more than just providing financially. It also includes sharing our time, knowledge, and compassion. Another essential principle in Buddhism is thankfulness. Gratitude is the antidote to feelings of lack and scarcity. Appreciating the things we have helps us build an abundance mindset and attract more positive experiences. Even in difficult times, there is always something to be thankful for. Buddhism emphasizes the value of living consciously. Mindfulness is about being completely present in each moment, without judgment or attachment. When we practice mindfulness, we become more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, allowing us to make deliberate decisions that lead to better well-being and wealth. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we can lay the groundwork for sustainable wealth and fulfillment. We align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe and attract blessings into our lives by performing acts of charity, expressing appreciation, or living mindfully. These powerful rituals inspired by Buddhist teachings are more than just a way to attract wealth. They also lead to greater spiritual fulfillment and contentment. By aligning with the energy of abundance and success, we not only improve our own lives, but also positively impact the world around us. Remember, it's not just about the rituals themselves, but also about the intention and energy you put into them. Whether you plant cloves for protection and wealth, implement positive energy into your finances, or carry an abundance charm with you wherever you go, each activity serves as a reminder of your fundamental connection to the universe's abundance. May these teachings guide you to richness and prosperity. If you found this lesson helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leading a mindful and abundant life. Share your experience and the benefits of the universe with yourself. And as always, I'll see you in the next chapter.